Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer, and today we're here because we're going to be unboxing my Young Living Subscribe to Save orders for April and May. So this is going to be a double unboxing. So for those of you who don't know, Young Living is an essential oil company. However, they have lots of oil infused products. They have household cleaning products, they have essential oils, they have personal care products, they have nutritional supplements and things like that. So I am part of the Subscribe to Save program with Young Living, which means I am committed to spending at least $50 a month on Young Living products. So each month I go in and I change my cart to put the things in the cart that I need for my household. And that's usually a combination of essential oils, personal care products, and household cleaning products. So we're going to start with my April order, and then we'll do my May order next. So I've got my packing slip. Set that to the side. So the first thing I see when I look inside my box is the Art Gentle Cleanser. And for those of you who don't know, ART stands for, I think it means Age Refining Technology. So I used this cleanser as part of my morning routine for washing my face and things like that. I love this product. So it says, Art Gentle Cleanser cleanses the skin with a soft, gentle lather infused with skin-loving essential oils. Your face will feel clean and refreshed with a renewed and radiant look. And so some of the essential oils that it has in it are frankincense, royal Hawaiian sandalwood, melissa, lemon, and lavender. And I just love the way that this makes my skin feel. Next in the order, I see something that my husband's looking for. Every month we order one of the Shutran Beard Oils for him. And so the Shutran Beard Oil is part of the men's line that Young Living has for the men. Let me tell you what all they have for the men's line. So the Shutran men's line includes a Shutran 3-in-1 men's wash, an aftershave lotion, bar soap, the beard oil, and a shave cream. And so the Shutran Beard Oil contains the Shutran essential oil, and I love the way this smells. I don't have the essential oil, but I would really like to get it because it contains Idaho blue spruce, ocotea, ylang ylang, hinoki, coriander, davana, lavender, cedarwood, lemon, and northern lights black spruce. And my husband absolutely loves this. He usually goes through one of these each month. So that's something we get pretty much monthly. And so next in the order, we have some tubes, and so these are probably going to be essential oils. Oh yeah, so I was running low on the Citrus Fresh Essential Oil Blend. This is a 15 milliliter bottle. Citrus Fresh is a blend of multiple essential oils, and it contains a lot of citrus oils. Let me read to you what's in the Citrus Fresh Essential Oil Blend. All right, so for the Citrus Fresh Essential Oil Blend, it says featuring the fresh, bright aromas of 5 citrus essential oils plus spearmint. Citrus Fresh is perfect for wearing as an inspiring personal fragrance or to diffuse and freshen any indoor environment. It contains orange, grapefruit, mandarin, tangerine, lemon, and spearmint. And so I just love to diffuse that during the spring and the summer months. I'll put several drops of that, and then I usually add like 1 or 2 drops of spearmint just to add an extra kick to the spearmint in that essential oil. So next is the lemon essential oil, and I think this was free with my order because I spent $100 in products for this month. So they gave a free essential oil if you did that on the Subscribe to Save program, I think. So this was a freebie for me, and I was planning on ordering it anyway, so I went ahead and made sure that my order was enough so I could get this for free. Lemon is another citrus essential oil. It is a single, so it only contains lemon in it, and it's just really great for those spring and summer diffuser blends. Let me read to you what it says about lemon essential oil. So it's also a 15 milliliter bottle. It says, containing the naturally occurring constituent limonene, lemon is a key component in many popular essential oil infused products. Lemon is used worldwide in cleansers and soaps for its refreshing scent. So that's just a really good one. I love to diffuse that with lemon and lavender and peppermint, the trio that is popular among Young Living. So that tube is empty. I've got a smaller tube which should have essential oils in it as well. I think I was stocking up on my citrus oils with this order because most of these are citrus essential oils. So next I have orange essential oil, and this is also a 15 milliliter bottle, and it's a single oil. It only has orange in it. So let me read to you about orange essential oil. All right, so orange essential oil, it says, is a favorite for diffusion and aromatic uses. It may be calming and bring feelings of inspiration. Orange essential oil is one of my favorite essential oils to use to add to my diffuser all year round. So it's great in the fall, the winter, the spring, and the summer diffuser blends. So it's just a really nice one to have. It's basically one of my favorite essential oil singles. And then lastly is one of my favorite essential oil blends, and that is Stress Away. So Stress Away is an essential oil blend just like the Citrus Fresh. And so this, to me, they call it Vacation in a Bottle. And it literally has that tropical, calming, relaxing scent that you're looking for. Let me read to you what's in that. All right, so Stress Away is the first product to contain the unique combination of lime and vanilla pure therapeutic grade essential oils with an aroma that is a perfect blend of tropical and citrus. Stress Away is uniquely relaxing and comforting, and it contains copaiba, lime, cedarwood, vanilla, ocotea, and lavender. So when I diffuse Stress Away, I like to add a couple of drops of lime to make it smell like a margarita, but I also like to add a couple of drops of orange, and that makes it smell like an orange creamsicle, and it smells wonderful. And so that is it for my April order. So I had the Art Gentle Cleanser, the Shutran Beard Oil, the Citrus Fresh Essential Oil Blend, Lemon and Orange Essential Oil Singles, and then the Stress Away Essential Oil Blend. So let's get into my May order. All right, so first off, when I look in this box, I see the Lavender Bath and Shower Gel. And so I love Young Living's bath and shower gels. I usually rotate between the lavender one, but I also really like the Morning Start Bath and Shower Gel. And these are just really nice, non-toxic, clean products. So it says, infused with pure lavender essential oil, lavender bath and shower gel cleanses and soothes the skin with a mild plant-based formula that doesn't strip skin of needed moisture. Formulated without sulfates, parabens, petrochemicals, synthetic fragrances, artificial colors, or animal-derived ingredients. And then some of the essential oils that are in it, it says lavender, lemon, rosemary, Davana, and myrrh essential oils. So it's just a really nice bath and shower gel. I love to use it as kind of like to lather up and shave my legs with. So that's a good one to have. I have a large tube here, and usually large tubes are supplements. So let's see what's inside. So inside that large tube was the Inner Defense Essential Oil Supplement, and it is for immune system support, and it's formulated with Thieves. This is basically something I like to take during the school year because I'm a school teacher. I usually start taking it in August and take it through May to help support my immune system during the school year. It does have the Thieves Essential Oil Blend, but it also has what they call the Inner Defense Super Blend, which contains oregano, thyme, and lemongrass essential oils. But then you have the Thieves Essential Oil Blend, which contains clove, cinnamon bark, lemon, eucalyptus radiata, and rosemary. So that's just a really good one to take just to help support the immune system. That's a good one to have. And then I do have a couple of tubes, which means probably more essential oils. Oh. So I told you I ordered this monthly, and so I have another Shutran Beard Oil for my husband, so he's going to be happy about that because he was running out of that. That tube's empty. And then in this tube, I have Thieves Essential Oil. So even though this tends to smell more like a fall or winter scent, because to me it smells like almost like Christmas in a bottle, I like to diffuse this at night to help support my family's immune system and respiratory system. So usually I will diffuse this with Raven Essential Oil Blend or I might do orange essential oil with it. Thieves blends really nicely with both of those essential oils, and both of them are going to help support the immune system and the respiratory system. So that's a good one to have. And so that is it for both of my orders. My May order was the Lavender Bath and Shower Gel, the Inner Defense, the Shutran Beard Oil, and the Thieves Essential Oil Blend. I'm going to leave my membership number in the description box below. That way, if you're interested in checking out Young Living for their products, like I said, I love their essential oils, personal care products, and I really love their nutritional supplements and their household cleaning products. So I'll leave that membership number in the description box below, and then you can click on it, enter that membership number if you're wanting to try some of those products. Now, as a Subscribe to Save member, I get to bank 25% of whatever I spend. So if I spend $100, I'm going to get 25% of that back in points to spend towards free product. So every couple of months, I'll take those points that I've earned through the Subscribe to Save program, and I'll spend them usually trying new products that I want to try. If you have any questions about Young Living, let me know. And until next time, bye guys.